Are you dreaming of a new life in the United States? The Diversity Visa Program, often called the Green Card Lottery, offers a unique and legal pathway for individuals worldwide to live and work in America. But navigating the complex immigration process can be daunting. That's where the U.S. Green Card Office comes in, simplifying your journey to the American dream. We offer unparalleled support, ensuring your application is handled with precision and care. Our experts provide manual verification, meticulously checking every detail. We validate your photos and passport details, guaranteeing compliance with strict government requirements. This prevents common errors that could lead to disqualification. Our service includes the $1 entry fee and the $330 visa fee, providing a transparent and comprehensive package. You won't encounter hidden costs. With 365-day application availability, you can apply at your convenience without the pressure of narrow submission windows. We're always ready to assist. From your initial account creation to your final arrival in the U.S., we provide full support every step of the way. Let's walk through the process. First, you'll open an account with the U.S. Green Card Office. This secure and user-friendly platform is your gateway to the DV program. Next, you'll complete your application with our expert guidance. We ensure all required information is accurately provided, minimizing any potential issues. Then, you'll upload your photo and passport. Our validation process ensures these critical documents meet all official specifications, avoiding common pitfalls. Once everything is perfect, we handle the official submission to the Department of State, providing you with secure confirmation of your entry. After submission, we continuously monitor your selection status. You won't miss any crucial updates or deadlines, keeping you informed throughout the process. If selected, we provide comprehensive assistance with the DS-260 Immigrant Visa Application Form, a critical step that requires careful attention to detail. We also prepare you thoroughly for your visa interview, boosting your confidence and increasing your chances of a successful outcome. Finally, upon your arrival in the United States, we guide you through the process of receiving your official green card, completing your journey. Choosing professional help over a DIY approach offers significant advantages. Our service ensures a risk-free application, guaranteeing accuracy and timely submission. We help you avoid common mistakes like multiple entries, incorrect personal information, or submitting low-quality photos, which can lead to immediate disqualification. Our expertise ensures your application meets all eligibility requirements, from education to work experience, giving you peace of mind. Don't leave your American dream to chance. With the U.S. Green Card Office, you gain a dedicated partner committed to your success. Apply today with U.S. Green Card Office and take the first step toward your American dream. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more immigration updates.